The biggest surprise has to be the food. It's fresh. Breakfast is free for all students. It's healthy. They respect that some kids have a nut allergy, have a dairy allergy, have a gluten allergy, are vegetarian, or have certain restrictions within their diet, and they try to be as accommodating to everyone as they can be, and at the same time include the culture. So Sawyer may have tacos or rice or sopa or a different take on a lasagna at some point during the week. And when I ask him, how's school? Good. We had rice and beans and chicken for lunch. Like, oh, okay. Do you want me to pack you lunch? No, it's school lunch. Okay. That's what we're doing today. So knowing that he's well fed, he's not starving through the day. They include snacks. I did not expect that. Normally by 2 or 3 o'clock, the kids are hungry. Not here, they get snacks. And the focus is on being healthy. So they may have nacho chips, which are low in fat, low in oil, lower in salt intake. They may have whole wheat pretzels. They may have fruit.